Okay, so we finally arrived at the stream, the waterfall from Ozala, on West Edo State, and we met this little girl washing clothes, and we asked her, what type of soap are you using to wash? What's the name called? And they said soda. So soda is the name of the soap she's using to wash clothes. And the other boy over there, he asked him, why is he standing close to the stone? He said he can only wash with the stone so that the trouser will be able to clean. So you can see he's hitting the cloth on the stone so that the cloth will be able to get clean easily. So we are here. You can also see the boy is still hitting it. See, this is the waterfall. So this lizard is called Dikbo because it's the male lizard. So you can see some people are going to the stream to wash. This is part of the river that flows, where it flows from. So you can see it passed through this other side to form another river in another location. So we are going to look at it in our next video. So this is the root of one of the biggest tree. This tree also is a dokanut. The tree of a dokanut. The other tree there is white afara, one of the tallest tree. So you can see we are going to go through the other side of the river. So this part of the river is called Edigbidi. Igbidin means Igbidi is a upper part of the Ozala community, the head of the community. So this is where they fetch water, they wash clothes, and do other necessary things. So you can see this water, it's direct from the rock, and up to date nobody has been able to trace it where it comes from. So this is the natural beauty of Edo State on West local government area. So this lizard is called Omeme. If you look at it, it's not red on the head. So this is a female lizard. It's called Omeme in our dialect. So this one is it's called Ukbaradede in our local dialect. So if you know the name in English, you can also post it on the comment section. So you can see, you can lick it. You can just break the kanda, that's the body, and take out the white stuff which is inside and take it. You can eat it. It's very, very good for the body.
You can get natural food from the bush. This is called bagede there in our dialect. So, what is it called in English language? Open it, then you start licking the seed inside. Very sweet. Okay, snap them out.
ọ̀ṣọ́ ni mi ò ní mọ̀ ló jẹ ọ̀rẹ́ mọ ẹ pé mi o ọmọ ẹ̀ka ìmọ̀ ìbàdàn ni ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àmọ́ èpè lò ẹni tí wọ́n náà nọ ṣàbí àpótá fọkàn náà. òṣèlú òpùrọ̀ àmẹ́jẹ ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ ní ìmẹ̀ o jésù ló jẹ́ mẹ́jẹ ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀ ní ìmẹ̀ o ìbàdàn ọ̀ṣọ́ mẹ́rẹ̀ ó yá mẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n.
This is called ogege. It's good for the body. You can take it for dysentery and so many things. This is natural. It's called ogege leaf. Yes, it's very sweet.